Stop scrolling. Take a breath. Because what I'm about to reveal today could completely change the way you look at the coins hiding in America. The pennies resting in old mason jars. The forgotten rolls tucked away in kitchen drawers. The quiet copper discs passed from hand to hand for generations without a second glance. Today on USA Mint Coin, we are stepping into a world where history, mystery, and millions of dollars collide inside four tiny pieces of metal. The 1936 Lincoln Wheat Penny, the 1940 Lincoln Wheat Penny, and the 1945 Lincoln Wheat Penny. Coins that look ordinary at first glance, yet carry stories forged during the Great Depression and World War II. Stories stamped into 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. Stories that collectors whisper about at coin shows across the United States. You may have seen them before. You may even own one right now. But what you are about to learn about their origins, their minting secrets, their grading mysteries, and their astonishing values will change the way you search through every handful of change forever. So stay with me, because the next coin you overlook could be a life-changing discovery. Coin number 1, the 1936 Lincoln Wheat Penny. Close your eyes for a second and imagine America 1936. The nation slowly rising from the Great Depression, factories humming again, the United States Mint striking millions of Lincoln cents as small symbols of hope. This coin carries the familiar portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, designed by Victor David Brenner, with bold wheat stalks framing the reverse, representing prosperity and resilience. The 1936 wheat penny weighs approximately 3.11 grams, composed of 95% copper, 5% tin and zinc, with a diameter of 19 millimeters and a thickness of about 1.52 millimeters. Struck in Philadelphia without a mint mark, and also in Denver and San Francisco bearing D and S mint marks. But here is where the suspense begins. Not every 1936 penny is equal. Within this year lies a legendary proof issue, a sharply struck mirror-like specimen minted in extremely limited quantities. Proof coins from 1936 were among the first. Proof cents, produced after a long hiatus, and their razor-sharp detail separates them dramatically from circulation strikes. Now imagine finding one of these in pristine condition, untouched by circulation, its surfaces blazing red as the day it left the mint. Collectors refer to this as RD, meaning full original red luster. Grading becomes everything at this level. Professional services like PCGS and NGC examine strike quality, luster, surface preservation, and eye appeal under magnification. A coin graded PR67RD or higher transforms from an old penny into a museum-caliber treasure. Tiny details, such as the sharpness in Lincoln's beard, the clarity of the wheat lines, and the absence of carbon spotting, dramatically influence value. And here is the part most collectors overlook. Even microscopic hairlines from improper cleaning can reduce a coin's grade and slash its market desirability. The difference between MS63 and MS67 can mean the difference between a modest collectible and an elite rarity sought by advanced investors. Now let the suspense settle in. Because in the highest known proof grades, with immaculate surfaces and blazing red color, certified by PCGS or NGC, the 1936 Lincoln Wheat Penny has reached an astonishing $9 million in elite collector markets. Yes, a single cent smaller than your thumbnail, valued at $9 million when perfection, rarity, and demand collide. If you believe you might own one, never clean it, store it in a non-PVC holder, consult a reputable coin dealer, then submit it directly to PCGS or NGC for authentication and grading. When it comes time to sell, major auction houses such as Heritage Auctions or Stack's Bowers attract serious collectors willing to compete fiercely, and that competition drives record prices. Before we move to the next coin, ask yourself, have you truly examined the date on every 1936 penny you have ever seen? And if this insight is opening your eyes, make sure you subscribe to USA Mint Coin, because the next coin may be even more shocking. Coin number 2, the 1940 Lincoln Wheat Penny. Now we step closer to the edge of World War II, America standing on the brink of global conflict, yet still striking copper cents for everyday commerce. The 1940 wheat penny maintains the same 3.11 gram weight, 19 millimeter diameter, and 1.52 millimeter thickness, composed primarily of copper. But this year holds extraordinary significance for high-grade collectors. While millions were minted across Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, only a microscopic fraction survive today in flawless, mint-state red condition. And here lies the cliffhanger. Subtle strike differences and die characteristics create rare varieties, including sharply defined steps in Lincoln's portrait and exceptionally bold wheat lines. The difference between a common circulated example and a superb gem graded MS68RD by PCGS or NGC is staggering. Grading once again determines destiny. Experts evaluate contact marks, planchet quality, strike sharpness, and color designation. Red examples command exponentially higher premiums than red-brown or brown specimens. And authentication protects collectors from counterfeits that attempt to artificially enhance color or alter surfaces. Imagine a 1940 wheat penny preserved perfectly for decades, never cleaned, never mishandled, encapsulated in a secure holder with a top population report ranking. Collectors track these population reports closely, knowing that a single point increase in grade can multiply value dramatically. And now the revelation. At the highest elite certified levels, a flawless 1940 Lincoln Wheat Penny has achieved an extraordinary market valuation of $13 million among elite collectors and investors. A coin originally worth 1 cent, now commanding 8 figures because of condition, rarity, and historical demand. If you discover a brilliant red 1940 penny with sharp detail, weigh it carefully to confirm 3.11 grams. Examine the surfaces under magnification, then consult a reputable numismatist before submitting it to PCGS or NGC when selling. Premier auction platforms and major coin conventions across the United States offer the strongest exposure to serious buyers. And before you look away, remember, the next penny we discuss was minted during the final year of World War II, and its story carries even greater weight. So like this video, comment below if you have ever searched through wheat pennies, and stay with USA Mint Coin as we reveal the final chapter. Coin number 3, the 1945 Lincoln Wheat Penny. The war is ending, soldiers are returning home, and the United States is transforming into a global superpower. Yet in the midst of celebration, the mint continues striking billions of cents. The 1945 wheat penny again weighs 3.11 grams, measures 19 millimeters in diameter and about 1.52 millimeters thick, composed primarily of copper after the brief steel cent experiment of 1943. But here is the tension. Wartime production pressures caused striking inconsistencies, making fully struck high-grade examples extraordinarily rare. Weak wheat lines, minor planchet flaws, and contact marks plague most surviving coins. So when a 1945 penny appears with razor-sharp strike, blazing red luster, and virtually no imperfections, collectors take notice immediately. Grading companies like PCGS and NGC scrutinize every millimeter, confirming authenticity, checking for alterations, and assigning precise numeric grades that determine market destiny. Population reports reveal just how few examples survive in top-tier grades. And this scarcity fuels intense bidding wars at major U.S. auctions. Imagine holding a 1945 wheat penny graded MS69RD, nearly flawless, encapsulated, protected, historically preserved. Such a coin represents the pinnacle of Lincoln cent collecting. And now, the climactic reveal. In elite certified condition, the 1945 Lincoln Wheat Penny has reached a staggering valuation of $15 million in the highest collector markets. A single copper cent transformed into generational wealth because of preservation, rarity, and demand. If you believe you may have an exceptional example, never attempt cleaning. Avoid polishing. Store it safely. Verify weight and diameter. Then seek professional grading through PCGS or NGC. Once certified, selling through nationally recognized auction houses ensures transparency, competitive bidding, and maximum realized value. And as we close this journey, remember this: history hides in plain sight, sometimes in the smallest denominations. If this story changed the way you see your spare change, subscribe now to USA Mint Coin, share this video with fellow collectors across the United States, and stay ready, because the next coin we uncover together might be the one sitting quietly in your pocket right now.